the garden. Today we're going to be planting red potatoes out here, just organic potatoes that we got at the store. We'll plant them with their eyes up. You can see their eyes growing out. Potatoes are harvested in the fall here in southwest Missouri, so the late fall, so we will want to get these in the ground as soon as possible. They'll take a while to grow. We already planted, that's our plant marker. We already planted a whole bunch of potatoes down there, and today we're going to do the red potatoes. So let's get started. Potatoes, you want to dig. You want your soil to be loose and pretty. You can use vermiculite, or you can even use sand to mix into your soil. The soil that we have is really loose, as you can tell. It's been out here for days and I haven't touched it, and I can just dig easily with my hand. It's a very rich soil. So we're going to try that this year and just see how it goes without doing much other to the soil. We're going to lay out our potatoes just kind of generally about, I'll say about 6 inches apart. And then we're going to mound the dirt on top about 6 inches deep. You want to put the eye of the potato coming out, because that is where it will grow. You can even go a little deeper than that. Up. Go a little bit deeper on this one. The soil is really wet. We got some good rains the last couple days, but we'll have to see how this goes, and hopefully it's not too wet for potatoes. I have to come back and put some sand and vermiculite in the soil. I don't know. Just mound that up nice and high. Got some weeds in there. Up. It's hard to tell. The sun's bright today, which is awesome. It's April. It's just the beginning of April, so we're getting these in the ground right now. And then I'll do another row down here. I could probably get 3 in this row. Probably don't have to just do 2. But just for showing you guys what to do. The soil's awesome because it's so, oh, there's a nice worm. It's nice and soft. Get some more potatoes in there. Put the eyes up. This row. And we'll keep on going, mound it up. Mound it up good. we're done.